Alright, so I'm actually going to work on today, just like working in my planner a little bit. I haven't been doing, I actually haven't done up till May, April through May. You just go through and date the rest of the pages all through the year, so I have this available when I go through and try planning stuff out in advance. And I also need to set up my monthly calendars. There's more stuff I need to do. I'm just trying to take it a day at a time. So I was going to show you as I do that, kind of how I do it. Have it sped up, obviously, but I'm just going to go through and do that now. It is Kroger day, but there's like nothing at Kroger hardly, so it's not going to take me very long. So I decided to do this morning, so that's what we're going to do now. Alright, so I just finished my setting up my planner for this whole year, I guess, the weekly section. I still got to do the monthly calendar, but I got all the dates in because it was an undated planner, so I had to fill it out, which is annoying, but that's what I opted to do. So, yeah, I had to fill out the dates in it for the whole year and put up the stickers up there for the month. And I could have just wrote it in, but I don't know, I think the stickers with the dates are more visually better than just my sloppy handwriting, so I did that. Now I'm probably going to stop because I will have to go to Kroger and get pictures for you all, but later today I'll go through and fill out the month and everything like that, and that's what I will do. So yeah, that is what is next on the agenda, but I'm going to have some lunch. Believe it or not, I didn't have eggs today. I'll have to probably at some point, but I didn't have them for breakfast. I had some organic oatmeal with peanut butter, banana, and honey, and I think that went over pretty good, so I'm excited for that. So now I've just got to go up and down looking for tags. So always check your clearance racks at Kroger, because these actually, I can eat them organic oatmeal for $1.39 or $1.29, so I'm going to get them both. I don't know, I probably can't eat these right now, but someone can. They're Simple Truth organic pinto beans, 49 cents, just doesn't look pretty, but they're still good. Alright, so I just came back in from dinner and look what happened. My computer decided to start doing updates. I don't even know, like, why. Okay. Alright, so it is Wednesday night, and I actually have the whole house to myself, which is very, very rare. So I just thought I'd bring out my camera and just, like, film wherever I feel like filming today. But anyways, yeah, so again, it's a church night, but we didn't get to go, and this is the longest I think I've ever gone without going to church before. Okay, so my parents went back up to Columbus to see the cat, and he's actually doing so much better. I know I've said this before, but I'm thinking this time they finally made the turnaround, and like the ketone levels were like, they were 80 yesterday, now they're only 40, and he actually started eating again, so that's really, really good. That's really good. So, yeah, things are looking up for him, and I'll go ahead and insert a picture right here. So that's what he looked like tonight. I didn't go to Columbus because I just didn't, just with all my problems. I've had some issues today, but I'm not even going to talk about it. I'm really trying to focus on being more positive, but, reality is reality. So, yeah, but I have had some issues today. I'm not really sure why. I'm still in the flare-up stage. So I called the nutritionist a couple days ago. Well, my mom actually did it, but we called her a couple days ago. We scheduled an appointment for later in the week So we're going to get together and try to come up with some ideas, like what could I possibly be eating that could be messing me up. So we're going to do that with her. What else tonight? I'll try to just vlog the rest of the night. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do. I did my Kroger videos already. But I've got to talk to you about couponing pet peeves. Oh my gosh. I seriously tonight, or this afternoon at Kroger, was so mad. Because people are just like, I don't get it. I get this way every time, but it's worse now because it's Christmas. People are just like out of control. I don't get it. People are just not paying attention. Okay, I'm just gonna go down the line. Here are things that are a major pet peeve when I'm not couponing or trying to get pictures for you all. Number one, I'm gonna leave my cart out in the middle of the aisle. I'm not here, but I'm gonna leave my cart out in the aisle so you can't get through. Number one, it is, and I seriously hope none of you do this, do not leave your cart unattended out in the aisle. Someone actually had their purse sitting in the cart, and I'm like, no, it's Christmas. People are gonna steal and stuff. But number two, besides the safety concerns, it is so annoying because you can't get through the aisle. Like, because I don't want to move their cart. Because then, I've actually done that before. I moved someone's cart, and they came back and got mad at me, and I'm like, maybe you shouldn't have left it unattended. So yeah, that was annoying. But yeah, that is like number one pet peeve. Do not leave your cart out in the middle of the aisle. Push it over to the side. So that way, if someone else wants to come down the aisle, they can. So that's pet peeve number one. Pet peeve number two. You see me coming down the aisle and you don't even offer to move out of the way for me to come through? I mean, my goodness. You don't even move. You just stand there in the middle of the aisle and won't even let me get through. It makes me so mad. I'm wanting to, like, get my, get my stuff, get my pictures, or either get the product, and I can't. So that is something I always do. If I see someone come through, I will move over to the side. I will never stand out in the middle of the aisle so they can't get through. So no, that is pet peeve number two. People standing out in the aisle and not letting you through. Pet peeve number three. This is to the grocery store. Do not leave merchandise or displays out in the middle of the aisle. Here I'm going to insert a picture of what my Kroger did today. Alright, so you see that? And get this. On top of that, someone was standing out in the aisle and wouldn't move. So I couldn't even go down that aisle. That is so annoying. That is so annoying. But that was pet peeve number three. Pet peeve number four. Store workers blocking merchandise. And I know this is important. They got to stuff their shelves and do stuff with click list. I'm talking about Kroger. I want to just get a quick little snap of the Excedrin, but this person had a humongo display of stuff filled with pain relievers. I couldn't even get over there. Here's my thing. Why couldn't they do that in the middle of the night? Like, when there's no one there, early in the morning? Why would you do it in the busiest time at like 2 o'clock in the afternoon? Why would you start stocking your shelves then? That is annoying. So that's pet peeve. We're up to 4 now? Yeah. Alright. Pet peeve number 5. Do not, I don't know. Their aisles, this goes along with the other ones. The aisles are so narrow. I knocked down a display of like spoons. I don't know what it was. They were like serving spoons for Christmas gifts. I knocked down a display of them because my hand or the cart trying to get in the narrow aisle. There was someone on the right, and she was really nice. She was trying to let me get through, so I don't have any problem with her. I was trying to get through that narrow aisle. There was 1 million people down there, and I knocked over this display of spoons. And it was just like, oh, it was so embarrassing. And they fell on the floor, and some fell in my cart. So maybe don't, I don't know. I guess it's a marketing thing, and they've got to have the stuff out there. But it's just like, oh, make your aisles a little bit wider then, if that's the case. That is definitely pet peeves with grocery, like couponing. Oh, and another one. Number 6 now, do not. I know this is not always the store's fault, but don't have something in the wrong place. That is so annoying when they do that. They have stuff in the wrong place. I've had that happen. So just like at Rite Aid, I went down there for the, I'm not going to say it because I know my grandma will watch this. A gift I went down there for, and it was the tag said $20, but someone decided to put it in the wrong place. It was $60. And I was like, oh, there is no way I'm paying $60 for this thing. So I wasted my time and I got all excited for nothing. So try to, I don't know, that's just another courtesy for customers and like the store. Do not put the item in the wrong place. I know sometimes that's an accidental thing though. That's about, I don't know. Those are some major pet peeves I have with couponing. I mean, another one is, know your stuff. Like, know it. Like the one per purchase. And another thing with Kroger, their rule is if the coupon don't scan, they're not going to take it. All right. But sometimes it's your problem when your register's sticky and it won't scan because of your error. Now, today I didn't have that problem at all, but the other day the cashier's like, I'm not going to do anything if this doesn't scan. I'm like, how's it my fault that you got sticky stuff all over your register? So yeah, that is my couponing pet peeves. Know your stuff. One per purchase. Know how to scan the coupons. Stuff like that. Those are my couponing pet peeves and grocery store etiquette. Do not ever just leave your card out in the middle. That's probably the worst one. Do not block people from coming through. Oh, here's the next one. There's one more. Number 8. And this, I know this probably can't be helped. There are some, you can't even stop and look because there's someone coming up the aisle. And people don't even say excuse me anymore. Always at least have courtesy. If I'm trying to get through, I will say excuse me. And sometimes that literally brightens someone's day because they don't expect that anymore from young people. I mean, to say excuse me. So I always have etiquette like that. If you want through, I mean, it's annoying. You can't even stop and look at stuff anymore without someone needing to get through. But at least say excuse me. That makes a world of difference if you show kindness about it. So, yeah, that is couponing pet peeves for the night. So, yeah, I'm just going to go through, I don't know, I'm going to look at my planner, see what I need to get done. And also, Q&A, the Q&A, if any of you have not had time, and my hand is close to that. If any of you have not had the time to ask me a question, I'm still taking questions. I'm probably going to do it either tomorrow or Friday. The Q&A. So, yeah, really, I'm pumped for that. That's going to be fun to do the Q&A. So, yeah, couponing pet peeves and still taking questions for the Q&A. Go ahead and do that. Now I'm just going to try to get some chores done. Enjoy the nice little, the Christmas tree. I enjoyed that. I don't even know if it got the Christmas tree in the frame. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. The other cats are just, like, resting. Hi, Elliot. They are out. Let me show you the other one. They are so tired. They're so cute, though. Alright, so I was able to set up my monthly calendars through October. I still got to do the rest of them, maybe through September. I don't know. I got a lot of them set up. It's just how I did it. So I'm going to just, basically here, I'm just going to use this for school assignments and like due dates, maybe bills that are due that day or something. This is just for due dates is what the monthly calendar is going to be for. I'm not really planning on writing a bunch of appointments and stuff in here. That'll just go on my weekly spread or whatever, if any of you even care. But that's what I'm going to use the monthly spread for. All right, so we're going to bring tonight to a close. It's been a pretty good day. I wound up talking to a friend on the phone, so didn't really get too much done, but, you know, it is what it is. But I was able to set up the planner, and that was good. I don't know what tomorrow's going to bring, honestly. The Q&A will be either today or tomorrow. I'm not sure. I'm sorry. It's either going to be tomorrow or Friday. Possibly Saturday, but I'm thinking it's either going to be Thursday or Friday. I need to go get a haircut. So I need to go get a haircut. And I want to go Christmas shopping some more. I still got quite a bit more to get. Yeah, that's all I got for now. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Oh, I got to do the Kroger 3-day sale video. That's what I've got to do now. Like, I totally forgot. So I'm going to do that. I have that scheduled for tomorrow morning, so you all can see that, so you can remember about the 3-day sale. Totally would have forgot. So, yeah, that is all that I have for now, and thank you so much for watching.